SIT Special Investigation Team has filed a charge sheet in connection with the vote chori case in Aland in Kalburgi in Karnataka. Now remember, investigators have established the role of former BJP MLA Subhash Guttedar in the alleged manipulation of electoral rolls during the 2023 assembly polls. This is what we are getting in for you. CNN News 18's Afreen Hussain for more on this. Yes, Afreen.
Well, absolutely. This particular case came to the light after Rahul Gandhi went on and brought it to surface. And now the SIT, which was probing the case about the vote chori in Kalburgi's Aland, has said that former BJP Karnataka MLA Subhash Guttedar and his son are among 7 others who have paid money for deletion of voters' names in the list. Now, this is the info that we are getting. The SIT was formed after Rahul Gandhi made the allegations that voters' names were deleted from the list. The state government established an SIT which was probing this particular case, and now the SIT has filed a charge sheet which runs about 22,000 pages, in which they have named former Karnataka MLA Subhash Guttedar and his son among 7 others.
Right, Afreen, and are we accessing any details or, about those charge sheet? What is the SIT really saying in it?
Well, absolutely. The case was registered after, let me tell you, 5,994 voters' names were deleted from the electoral rolls in Aland. And this case came to light after Congress MLA B.R. Patil made the allegations that, Subhash Guttedar and others are the reason why these names were deleted. They paid money for the names to be deleted. As of now, we only know that the former Karnataka BJP MLA and his son have been named in the charge sheet. We're waiting for more details to follow in.
All right, Afreen, thank you so much for all of the inputs that you brought us.